Hi little friends, let's learn today something new. All around us, shapes appear, in every color, far and near. Round, round like a cake, circle's shape is easy to make. Pointy top and flat below, three sides that steal the show. Like a pizza slice on my plate, yes, it's a triangle, isn't that great? With straight sides all the same, it's a square, that's its name. Window frame or checker box, you'll find squares inside your blocks. Hi friends, I'm Sunny the circle. I'm round, 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 all the way around. I don't have any corners or straight lines, just one big curve that goes in a loop. Wanna learn how to draw me? It's easy peasy. Now, go round and round, slowly making a curve. Keep going until you come back to where you started. Hi there, I'm Tina the triangle. I have three straight sides and three pointy corners. My shape looks like a slice of yummy pizza. Want to draw me? Here's how. Start by drawing a line across, that's the bottom. Now draw a line up from one side, then draw another line down to the other side. Connect the top point. Hello friends, I'm Sammy the square. I have four straight sides, and they're all the same length. I look like a window or a gift box. Ready to draw me? Start at the top and draw a line straight across. Now go down the side, nice and straight. Draw a line across the bottom, and one last line going up to the top. You did it! That's a perfect square.